Kilala mo ba si Carlos M. Pillocos at ang kanyang gawa kung ang syudad ay pag-ibig? Tara, pag-usapan natin yan. Sino nga ba si Carlos M. Pillocos? Carlos M. Pillocos is also known as Dr. Pillocos, who is a distinguished Filipino poet and scholar who specializing in literature and cultural studies. He also completed a PhD in comparative literature at the University of Hong Kong and earned an MA in culture and critical theory from Cardiff University. He currently serves as a professor at De La Salle University in Manila, where his research interests encompass critical theory, Southeast Asian studies, migration and diaspora studies, and creative writing. As a poet, Carlos M. Pillocos had authored two notable collections, Corpus from 2010 and Kung ang Syudad ay Pag-ibig from 2019. The latter translates to If the City Were Love. This collection explores the city not as a physical press, but as a condition of possibilities, an immeasurable perspective that aspires individuals to reach, escape, or run towards. The poem hunts through towards the experiences of migrants, exiles, tourists, and especially citizens, reflecting on their dreams, desires, and struggle against violence, against territorial boundaries and power dynamics. The author only has two poems, and one of them is Kung ang Syudad ay Pag-ibig. This poem is about hardships in the city and the struggles of the citizens. This poem is also about voicing the people who can't voice for themselves, that the city can fight for change and start over and become better. Kung ang Syudad ay Pag-ibig aims to provide understanding for every individual who are experiencing struggles and hardship in life. Carlos M. Pillocos' extensive academic work on migration and diaspora studies informs his poetic exploration on the city's nature. His insight into the lives of Southeast Asian migrant workers, especially in urban settings like Hong Kong. This scholarly background enriches his poetry, allowing him to portray the city as a complex space where personal and collective narratives intertwine. This is why Carlos M. Pillocos is an inspiration for every viewer. Ngayon, kilala mo na si Carlos M. Pillocos. Nakinig ka ba